Hey, amazing teachers! Let's talk about one of the easiest ways to get students speaking spontaneously, using pictures. Grab an image that fits your lesson theme, like a busy park, a vacation scene, or a family at the dinner table. Hold it up or project it and ask your students open-ended questions like, ¿Qué ves en esta foto? What do you see in this picture? Or, ¿Qué crees que está pasando aquí? What do you think is happening here? Students can respond based on their current proficiency level, making it a perfect way to assess real communication. A beginner might say, un perro, while a more advanced student might add, el perro está corriendo detrás del niño. Here's a strategy to make it even more effective. Use a progression of questions to start encouraging more complex responses. Start with simple observation questions like, ¿Qué hay en la foto? What's in the picture? And then move to interpretive prompts like, ¿Por qué crees que está feliz? Why do you think that they're happy? This scaffolds students' speaking skills and gives them a chance to practice vocabulary, sentence structure, and fluency, all while keeping it fun and engaging. You'll see shy students open up and more confident ones stretch their language abilities. Want even more strategies like this? Check out our assessment academy at mm.us/academy. You'll get tools to assess and grow proficiency in practical, effective ways. Whether you're focusing on speaking, writing, or overall communication, this course gives you the resources to transform your teaching and save time. Start inspiring real communication today.